In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Yahoo email account. This simple yet essential process will have you accessing your inbox in no time, whether you're eager to read new messages or manage your digital correspondence. So, let's dive in and make sure you can smoothly log into your Yahoo Mail. To get started, first open your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you prefer and find most convenient. Once your browser is open, look at the top for the URL bar. That's the space where the web addresses are typed in. Go ahead and enter mail.yahoo.com. This address will take you directly to Yahoo Mail's homepage, which is our starting point for the login process. Now that you've landed on the Yahoo Mail homepage, it's time to look for the login section. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo email address. Take care to type it accurately, particularly including everything following the @ symbol. This little detail is crucial to ensure that Yahoo recognizes and locates your specific account. Once your email address is filled in, look for the button labeled Next or something similar. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the subsequent page in the login process. On this new page, you'll be asked to enter your password. This step is pivotal, as it secures your access to the account. Be sure to type in your password exactly as it was originally set, letter for letter, number for number. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, meaning that each uppercase and lowercase character must match precisely. If you're feeling a bit uncertain, it's always a wise idea to double-check what you've entered. Security is key, so it's important to keep your password private and secure. After ensuring the accuracy of your password, find the Next button again on your screen. Click it to send off your login credentials to Yahoo. Assuming that both your email and password have been entered correctly, you should find yourself entering your Yahoo Mail inbox momentarily. From here, you can easily browse through your emails, organize messages, or even send out new ones. Logging into your Yahoo email account is straightforward, and once you've mastered these steps, you'll find it becomes second nature. If you ever struggle to remember your password, consider employing a password manager. Password managers are excellent tools for keeping track of your login information securely, ensuring a hassle-free sign-in experience every time. Enjoy your email access, and thanks for following along.